Okay, 8-113. So we figured out that we can get A because it's a vertical angle with 63, that we went 63 minus 37, that gave us 26. So we're going to say A equals 26 degrees. And I'm going to write...
If it's an alternate interior angle, then C is also 26. Right?
Yeah. C equals 26. Now I'm writing stuff down next to my answers because it asked me name which geometric relationships. So on the first one I used the relationship that, 63 and this 37 plus A were vertical angles. So that's why I wrote that there. And then here I'm going to write alternate interior angles. I just kind of, that's how we write it in geometry class. We just kind of shorthand there. Okay, so B, B and D.
What if you just, because you have to see, so if you take 180.
Yeah! Good idea. That's a great idea. So we know that C is 26.
Plus 37, let's see. Oh,
well,
27 plus 37.
37 plus 26 plus 52 plus B equals 180. Or in other words, we can go on our...
We're trying to figure out B or D?
Oh, I thought we were trying to figure out B. Is that what you were saying, Daisy?
Well, we can figure out D by taking, well, we can figure out D and B at almost the same time. Well, do B first, and then you can figure out D. If you figure out D,
yeah.
You can figure out what B is. You need D to figure out what B is.
I don't think so, because...
Well, you add them up and then subtract 180 because it's a triangle. I know, but how do we know what B or that one angle is?
52 plus 26, let's get that number.
Where'd you get 52? Where'd you...
Right here.
Okay, so there's 52.
Plus 26.
How'd you get 26?
That's what C is.
Okay.
So this whole corner is 78.
That doesn't mean they're equal, though.
No, it doesn't mean they're equal, but that's 78, that's 37.
Oh,
so
you're thinking the entire rectangle.
Yeah, I'm looking at this big triangle right here. See the big one? So I rewrote it down here. So that 78 came from these two guys add up to make 78. Is that okay?
Oh.
Yeah. So now I can just go 180 minus that equals B. So let's see. 180 minus 78 minus 37. Well, that leaves 65 degrees left, so that's 65. So D is 65, and that's called triangle sum. I'm just going to write triangle sum. Sum meaning they add up to 180. Triangle, angle sum, triangle sum. Okay, that's B. So now, did that help us with D? I don't know. D is the only thing left.
Well, because we could have figured out, there was a way to figure out both C, well, there was a way to figure out both B and D at the same time.
I think Daisy knows something. What do you know, Daisy?
Isn't it like 180 on the line or something? So
yeah.
You just subtract 165 from the 180 and then get that.
Well, so do you see what... See this little shaded triangle, the one I just shaded, the little baby triangle? Yeah. See the shaded one? Well, I could find out this angle, this next to D, and then I could subtract 180, subtract it from 180, and that would give me D.
But in order to figure that out, you need to take C.
Well, I got the triangle.
6.
See that little baby triangle? It's
yeah.
52 plus 65 plus something makes 180.
Exactly.
So you can go.
So what you do, you take C, 26, plus 37, in the bottom, in the triangle below it, you take C and you take 26 and 37, add that together, you get 63, right? Yeah,
you got the same number as me. I did mine different, but yeah. This little corner is 63.
No.
That little bitty corner is.
No, it's not. That's not 63.
Why not?
Because they're not what's it called? They're not adjacent angles.
It's the reason it's 63 though is because this thing is a triangle. Like, so this and this, can you see what I'm trying to do here? Yeah. This corner is 52. and this corner is 65, and that makes this corner whatever 162, or 180 minus 65 minus 52. Well, that turns out to be 63, because I know that they have to add to 180, right? If that's 63, then this one right here is 180 minus 63, because these two make a straight angle, a supplementary. Rocco's like, okay, you would have still got it. Your way of thinking is not wrong. You would have still got it that way too, I think.
Okay, well, we could have gotten C and, or we could have
117.
gotten D at the same time. If we took C plus 37, then, so we get C plus 37, subtract it by 180.
Oh, to get the vertical angle.
To get the vertical angle, that's D.
Uh-huh.
We already get D, and then we know what D is, subtract that from 180, and then we know what that angle is, and then we can get B.
Oh, okay, yeah, that would totally work. That was smart. That was, just lovely. So see how there's a whole bunch of different ways to do it? Do you guys see what he's saying? We already had C, so we could have got the vertical angle to D. We already had C, we could have gone 180 minus 26 minus 37, that would have given us, this angle is going to be the same as D. Yeah, he just did a different way. So there's probably, I would guess, maybe 15 or 20 different ways to, orders to go around and do it. So D we think is 117 though. So you write it, so you see how there could be different answers here? Like, I'm going to say the way I did it, I'm going to say I used it with, I kind of used supplementary angles on that, and I used triangle sum theorem too. I'm just going to write supplementary angles on mine. You would probably want to write vertical angles, Rocco, if you were thinking of it as, we had these two vertical angles, you might have used it that way.
Well, what I did, I used A,